In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a manual journal in Zoho Books. We'll be breaking down this process into clear, easy to follow steps that will have you navigating the platform like a pro in no time. Firstly, let's get started by opening your web browser and heading over to the Zoho Books website. Once you're there, look for the sign in button, which you'll find in the top right corner of the home page. Give that button a click and you'll be prompted to log into your Zoho account. If you're not taken directly to the home page, make sure to select Zoho Books from your dashboard. Once you are on the Zoho Books homepage, you should see a variety of modules and options available to you. At this point, what you want to do is navigate to the Accountant tab. It's typically located in the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on it and you'll be presented with several accounting options to explore. Now, in the Accountant section, you'll see an option marked Manual Journals. Click on Manual Journals and this will take you to a list of any existing journals you may have, or simply a prompt to get started. At the top of this page, you'll notice a button that says New Journal. This button is your gateway to creating a new manual journal entry, so go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked New Journal, you'll be taken to a form where you can enter the details for your new journal entry. This is where you'll input information such as the date of the journal entry, reference number, and any notes you want to accompany the entry for future reference. Be thorough with these details to ensure accuracy in your records. Next comes the core of your journal entry, adding transaction lines. You'll see fields to enter the account, debit and credit amounts for your entry. It's crucial here to double check your debits and credits to maintain balance. When you're satisfied that all the information is correct and balanced, take a moment to review everything one last time. When you're ready, look at the top or bottom of the page, where you should see an option to save or post your journal entry. Click on this and voila! You've successfully posted a manual journal in Zoho Books. This new journal will now appear in your list of manual journals, reflecting your transactions accurately. And there you have it, a straightforward process to post a manual journal in Zoho Books. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your financial records are kept up to date and accurate, which is vital for any successful business operation. Thank you for following along, and feel free to revisit any section of this guide to solidify your understanding.